Here's the second Harbor Breeze Calera that I got off of Craigslist. I'm using the other one's light globe because this one did not come with one. And this one's from March of 2004, I think, just like the other one. And yeah, so anyway, I'll start it up. Here's the light. It's the light, and here's low. This one came in the same shape as the other one. The entire switch housing and thing was ripped apart. Again, I have no idea who in their right mind would take apart a fan like that, but whatever. Came with almost everything though. This one also did not have the lead wires to it. It was kind of stupid, but whatever. Medium. This one has a wobble to it. Doesn't remove terrible air. And high. Oh, that was high. Oh, jeez. There's medium. This one did come with the rubber gasket or cover. The other one did not. But anyway, that's about it. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.